Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable developer mode in Claude Desktop. First, open Claude Desktop, go to settings and look for options like developer mode, advanced tools, or experimental features. If you see it, simply toggle it on, as this is the easiest way. If not, you will need to use another method. Next, use keyboard developer tools. Most versions support built-in dev tools. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl plus Shift plus I, and on Mac, press Command plus Option plus I. This opens the console, network logs, and debug tools, which is the closest thing to developer mode in most builds. Now, try the launch flag method if supported. Close Claude Desktop, then run it through the terminal or a shortcut using a command like claude-enable dev, depending on your version. Finally, use the config file method for advanced users. Go to the app data folder, find the config file, and add developer mode set to true, then save the file and restart the app. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.